press, ang ating mga KOL content creators. Welcome. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence despite the very hard weather that we've been experiencing. Nevertheless, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And I'm sure you have all heard the news. The Viva Hot Babes together again on October 23. Catch Maui Taylor, Katya Santos, Andrea Del Rosario, Gwen Garci, Cherie, JC Parker, Ella V, and Jennifer Lee at the New Frontier Theater. Ticket selling will begin on August 29 to ticketnet.com.ph po yan, so please do watch out for that. So 2 dates, of course, August 29, October 23. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, after years of being apart, join us as a group that defines sexy, bold, and fearless expression in the 2000s. Get back together on one stage. Truly exciting stuff. Kaya ito, let's get straight to it. I know you're all excited to see our beautiful ladies. Let us all welcome the hottest and sexiest of 2000s Philippine pop culture, the Viva Hot Babes. First, we've seen her in Ilusyon, Co-Ed Scandal, and more. A former Mutya ng Laguna, an award-winning DJ, one of the original faces of Viva Hot Babes. Let us all welcome Jennifer Lee. Up next, we've seen her in Pekka, also Ilusyon, and more. From showbiz star to public servant, she is currently the counselor of Angeles City, Pampanga. Let's give it up for JC Parker. Up next, one of the original Viva Hot Babes. We've seen her at Sukdulan, Sugapa, Isolated, and more. She continues to grace our screens with recent television shows such as You're My Favorite Song, Lolong. Let us all welcome Gwen Garci. Next up, she joined Viva Hot Babes from Bukidnon to Manila, armed with her talent in singing and dancing. Seen in films and TV series Kaka, Nerissa, and Task Force Firewall, now an avid painter, a fitness enthusiast, and a host at Too Hot for Podcast. Let us all welcome Cherie. A former beauty queen and a former vice mayor for Calatagan, Batangas, who continued to have a long career in film and television. She was featured in Lupe, Seaman's Wife, Viva Hot Babes, and most recently on Hell University, Para sa Isa't Isa, and I Love You Since 1982. Let us all welcome Andrea Del Rosario. Next up is a child star turned leading lady that starred in numerous movies such as Sukdulan and Sex Drive. She has remained active in showbiz to this day, featured in TV series Love You Lots, Amagyan in Section E, Totoy Bato, and so much more. Let's all welcome Katya Santos! And to complete our lineup this evening is the hot bake ng bayan. With her unmistakable star quality, she has been seen in films Gavitan, Sex Drive, and more. To this day, still active in film and television, featured in TV series Lolong, Maka, and Sanggang Dikit FR. Let's give it up for Maui Taylor! And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Viva Hot Babes. All right, let's have a group photo, please. And please all move towards the center and please face, look forward na po down that runway. We are also live sa ating Facebook page on VAA Live. Hello everybody, welcome. Please look towards the left side of the room, ladies. Thank you sa ating mga kaibigan sa press who made it. Thank you so much. And finally, please look towards the right side of the room for our content creators, KOLs, at marami pang iba. And that's it. We will have another group photo opportunity after the Q&A. You may now take your seats, ladies. And this is the time, of course, where we get to pick their brain. Ano nga ba ang aabangan sa ating reunion concert? And also to join them sa ating Q&A, let us all welcome our concert director, Direk GB San Pedro, to join our media conference. Thank you so much. And a few reminders for the Q&A para sa ating friends from the media na magtatanong. Alright, we will only field questions related to the concert. Alright, as you all know. Thank you so much. And we do have batches of press na magtatanong. June Lalin, Von Belenario, Kiko Escuadro, and Neil Ramos. Simulan natin sa Abante with June Lalin.
Yes, hi! Good evening. Ang bongga, siyempre, lahat excited for the reunion concert of Viva Hot Day. Kayo, nung binanggit na you're gonna have a reunion concert, gaano kayo kasaya? Tapos uuwi rin ng Pilipinas si Ella B, di ba? Tapos ang ganda kasi, kayo, talagang magkakaibigan, di ba? No? Nakikita ko kasi si Meet madalas i-post, lagi kayo may mga bonding moments. Hindi talaga kayo nagkahiwa-hiwalay, di ba? Lalo na pag umuwi rin si Ella B, di ba? Nakakasama kayo. Isang pinakamayaman yata. Pero I'm not so sure, Oo, kasi baka iba sa inyo mas mayaman pala, di ba? Oo, pero yun nga, malaman nyo na eto, gagawin ng Viva Live, yung reunion concert nyo, gaano kayo ka-excited? Simulan natin kay JC Parker, ang politiko. Ako ayaw yan.
Hello? Ayan, okay, ako na. Thank you. Sobrang kinabahan at excited at the same time because siguro sa aming lahat, ako yung pinaka out of touch, kumbaga, when it comes to the industry of performing. As in, it's been years since dekada na ba? Simula nung umakyat na lang ulit ng stage to perform. So talagang kinakabahan pero sobrang excited kasi again, makakasama ko yung mga kaibigan kong mag-perform and it's gonna be really nostalgic for me for this experience. Kaya sobrang happy ako mangyayari na ito.
Yeah, oo nga. Kasi yung mga iba nga, nagpa-perform pa rin sila eh. Katulad lang si Sherry, ang daming concert, di ba?
Siyempre ako kinakabahan, pero pinaghandaan ko talaga to ng matagal na panahon. And talaga, parang I'm sobrang happy na at least this time kasama ko na silang lahat kasi sa totoo lang ang hirap po talagang buuhin ng grupo na to. Kasi may mga kanya-kanyang career na, so kahit na ako tuloy-tuloy ako sa mga ginagawa kong shows, gusto ko man silang talagang isama lahat. Hindi talaga mabubuo. So ngayon, mabubuo na talaga kami. So I'm so happy and very, very happy na this time, makikita ko na sila ulit na magkasama kami on stage. Siyempre, iba pa rin yun pag sila yung kasama.
Pasabog din kasi yung mga pole dancing mo eh.
Yeah.
Dito meron, may ganun.
Secret.
Yeah.
Di lang pole dancing, aakyat ako ng tok-tok ng ceiling, maglalakad ako habang diba?
Magpapaba ka muna doon sa taas.
Oo, mag-exorcism ako pababa.
Ito naman, syempre lagi natin nakikita. Oo, hindi siya nawawala from pagiging child star hanggang ngayon ang bongga. Very visible si Katya.
Thank you, Tita June. Ako, honestly, very emotional, mixed emotions. Kasi nga po, first, hindi ko naiisip na mangyayari pa siya. But now, na ngayon mangyayari na, naghahalo yung pressure, yung emotions, yung kaba, tapos excitement. So hindi ko wala yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Siguro dahil hindi pa nagsisink in, but more than anything else, grateful ako and thankful ako na binigyan kami ulit ng chance ng Viva na magsama-sama kami ulit to have this reunion. And naisip ko na, oo nga, I think it's time na magpakita kami ulit, not just as a group, but to celebrate our friendship, yung pinagsamahan talaga namin for almost 20 years. More than 20 years. More than 20 years. So, happy, excited, at the same time, pressured, and yan. Napapressure kasi po, we want to give our best this time, syempre. For everyone dun sa mga nag-aabang sa amin.
Okay, Maui. Siyempre si Maui, nakasama ko to sa Stop, Talk, and Listen. Di ba? Nag-talk show kami sa Viva One. Yes, Maui.
Hi, Tita June. Hello, everyone. Good evening, and to all the press here. Syempre, very excited and nervous at the same time. I mean, we've been doing shows, we've been performing together, pero not as an entire group. So this is very different. Tapos, syempre, yung show namin, we're going to bring something different to the table. And more than anything, this is a celebration of 23 years of friendship and being in the group, in the industry as the Viva Hot Babes. So this is something really exciting for each and every one of us.
Yan. Eto next, syempre naging politician din, naging vice mayor, di ba? Oo. Pero eto, talagang friend ko to teenager pa lang siya.
Oh my.
Remember, iba pa pangalan mo that time.
Oo.
Alam mo, nakita ko yung ex mo sa Amerika.
Oh, sino yan?
Si Gary.
Sino sa kanila?
Si Gary, remember.
Ay, yeah, Gary!
Oo, di ba? Oo. Early 90s, oo. Pero yan,
Vin Diesel ba? Medyo.
Pero yan, Andrea, you're very much around. Hindi,
Yeah.
isa ka rin sa, parang, sabi nila parang may something talaga, parang hindi ka rin tumatanda di ba? Very fresh pa rin yung itsura mo.
Very what? Sorry?
Very fresh.
Fresh! Wow, lahat naman kami mga fresh na
Hindi,
mga
lahat naman
bulaklak
kayo.
pa. Yeah, so how do we feel? Actually, hindi nyo na itatanong. This was an idea even way back, first quarter of this year. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Tama ba? So ang feeling namin nung time na yon, actually, we all refused. Kasi talaga namang, katulad nga ng sabi ng iba sa amin dito, we already had other things to do, nag-iba-ibang mga path, and then ako, medyo nagmanang-manang na ako. I was accepting roles na, alam mo na, just to tone down, the sexy image and stuff like that. So talagang at first, we didn't want to do it. And at the same time, we didn't want to take the spotlight from the sex bomb at that time. Because we were like, so we were like, no, we shouldn't, we shouldn't do it na pabara-bara din. We were not ready at that time. So, but like my prayer earlier, I said that nothing is an accident, di ba? So lahat naman to nangyari for a reason, and that's why we're very happy that it led to this. And katulad na nga ng sabi ni Maui that we want this as a celebration. It's more like celebrating how we started, where we are now as women, as moms, as all these multifaceted women, and we want to show that that we're here to stay. Di ba?
Okay, siyempre, ito si Gwen Garcia. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-controversial love life before, di ba? Tama, Gwen, di ba? Pero naging shock ka, tama? chef?
No, si
What?
Jennifer.
Si Jenny. Oh, pero aside from pagiging chef ni Jennifer Lee, yung sa music, di ba? Oo, nag-DJ siya. So, pero may mga businesses ka, di ba, Gwen? Kasosyo mo si Billy Martin, my friend, di ba? Tama mo mo.
No, Airbnb.
Airbnb, yan. So, gano'n ka ka-excited and nung time na wala ka sa showbiz, anong ginawa mo aside from Airbnb business?
Airbnb, nung wala ako sa showbiz kasi wala ako ng konti. Siyempre, kasi nung nag-asawa ako, nasa ibang bansa ako, so that's why I stopped show business for 5 years, and then meron yung pumunta ako sa Baguio, tinulungan ko yung mom ko for our business there. That's why I stopped rin for how many years. But nung pagbalik ko naman, tuloy-tuloy naman yung TV and all. So I'm happy. Well, about this concert, I'm very nervous and pressured and happy. Lahat na lang ng kaba na nararamdaman naming lahat. Pero we thank God for giving us a chance to be together because minsan lang kami magkasama-sama for, like what you said, for 23 years, never kami nagkasama ng ganito. Kaya exciting at the same time.
Okay, eto si Jennifer Lee. Eto yung
Hi, good evening.
Pang nightlife Kasi
Yeah.
yung pagiging DJ mo, di ba?
Yes, totoo po yan. So every weekends, I'm usually out of town, nagpe-play ko ng music.
Alam mo, isa ka sa pinaka-indie man na DJ, ang mahal ng TF mo.
Oh, sana.
May isang,
Ganun po.
may isang friend kasi ako, inquire siya. Sabi, ay grabe. Talagang, alam ko ang yaman mo dahil ang taas ng At mabili ka talaga as DJ. Tapos, naging chef, tama.
That was actually my course po. I have a bachelor's degree in International Hospitality Management, major in Culinary Arts. Pero tinatapos ko pa po, meron pa po akong isang degree, Hotel Administration po. Iniwan ko po muna so I could focus on my career and my family. Pero sana mabalik ako kasi isang semester na lang po yun.
And this time, you're doing bulaklak.
Yes, this time mamumulaklak po kami muli. And sobrang excited kami. Mixed emotions po, like Katja said. But my heart is so full of gratitude kasi makita nyo naman po, through the years, ito pa po kami magkakasama. Ang lalim po ng friendship namin. And I'm also so grateful sa lahat po ng sumuporta, nagmahal po sa amin at sa musika namin. And dahil po sa kanila, andito kami, not only to celebrate our friendship, but para po makilala, makasama at mapasaya po sila muli.
Yan. And 8 kayo, including LD.
Yes po, 8 po.
Ang bongga, di ba? Pero eto si Direk GB yan. Siyempre si Direk talagang kilala sa mga concert Ang galing-galing na director Pero alam niyo bang dati siyang That's Entertainment member? Aware kayo? Oo, dami naging girlfriend na artista niya. Di ba, Direk? Pero dati nalilink siya. Ngayon naman, okay siya. Pero Direk, nung sabihin sa'yo ng Viva Live that you're directing the Viva Hot Babes in their reunion concert, anong na-feel mo, Direk?
Siyempre, good evening muna sa inyo lahat. No? Siyempre, nung tinawag sa akin, sobra akong na-excite. Kasi yung panahon ng Viva Hot Babes yun yung start ng pag-direct ko nung career ko. So, kumbaga naabutan ko yung era ng Viva Hot Babes. So, na-excite ako doon sa idea na parang babalik tayo doon sa panahon na yun. And then at the same time, mag-o-offer ka ng mga bago ngayon. And karamihan naman sa kanila, naka-work ko na rin sa TV, sa movie. And kumbaga natutuwa ako na nung magsama-sama sila, kasama ako doon sa reunion concert nila. So very thankful ako sa mga bosses ng Viva na ipagkatiwala yung isang ganitong kalaking project. Kasi hindi natin alam, kumbaga parang after more than 20 years sila nagsama-sama ulit. Kailan ulit yung next? So, kumbaga, parang ang part ng history.
So, Direk, hindi lang magiging nostalgic to kasi sabi mo may mga bago din. May mga i-inject na bago.
Siyempre, parang ibabalik mo yung nakaraan tapos magpapakita ka ng mga bago. Yeah. So, kumbaga, merong mga touches na hindi pa nakikita ng tao sa kanila. And yun naman yung aabangan din.
Yeah.
Plus the fact na syempre yung nostalgia, gusto mong makita yung dati. So kung paano namin tatahi-tahiin yun, yun yung malaking challenge sa amin, sa production, sa mga girls.
Yeah, it's so nice, no? Kasi ang sex bomb, nag-ano rin sila ng mama-mama bago, di ba? Kayo ba, the girls, meron kayong ilalabas na new recording for just in time for Bulaklak reunion concert?